Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a new lesson of our course Learning Arabic for the absolute beginner. Today we talk about the letter Dad. The letter Dad. So we need to know the different shapes for this letter and how it is written. We immediately start with the initial shape for this letter. Okay, we start with the initial shape of this letter. So the initial shape of the Dad will take the following shape, as you can see here. Let's now have some example. We have the word guest in English. In Arabic, this is ضيف. ضيف. Component letters of this word is ضاد, ياء, فاء. ضيف. ضيف. The initial dad will connect with the following letter ya, and it will take this shape. D. Then the ya connect with the dad and the following letter, so it takes this shape. And finally, the final F letter will take this shape. Together, the whole word will become ضيف. 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 Here is another example, the word frog in English. In Arabic, this word is ضفدع. ضفدع. I divide this word into its component letters. I get ضاد, فاء, دال, عين. ضفدع. ضفدع. I start the connection. The first letter ضاد connect with the following letter فاء, and it takes this shape. Then the fa can connect with the preceding and following letters, so it gets this shape. And the dal can only connect with the preceding letter, and it takes this shape. Finally, the ain does not connect with the preceding letter, so it remains as it is. ضفدع. Then the whole word together, ضفدع. 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 As you can see, that is the final shape of the word. The shape of the letter Dad in the middle of the word will take this form. As you can see, Dad is connecting to the right and left, meaning it is connecting to the preceding and to the following letter. In case the preceding letter cannot accept connection, it will take the following form, as you can see here. Let's take some examples. Here is the word muscle. This word in Arabic is عضلة. So عضلة. The component letters of this word is عين, ضاد, لام, and ت. عضلة. The عين connect with the following letter ضاد, and it takes this shape. The ض in this example will connect to the right and left, to the preceding ayn and to the following lam, and it gets this shape. The lam as well will connect at both sides, so it gets this shape, to the right and to the left. To the right to connect with the dad, and to the left to connect with the following letter as well, the t. So basically it gets this shape. The whole word will take this shape, عضلة. عضلة. That is the final shape of the word. Okay, let's have another example. It is the word فضة, which is silver in English. Component letters are فاء, ضاد, and the t. فضة. فضة. The fa will connect to the d and get this shape. The da will connect with both the fa and the ta and gets this shape. And finally the ta will get this shape. Fidda. Fidda. So the final shape for the word is fidda. Fidda, which is silver in English. Now let's have another example, which is the word حاضر. حاضر, which is the word present in English. حاضر, which means available. حاضر. Okay, the component letters are حاء, ألف, ضاد, and را. حاضر. حاضر. Okay, we start the connection. So the ha will connect with the alif. So you get ha. Then the d will connect with the ra, so you get d. Then the ra will connect with the preceding da, so you get حاضر, حاضر, حاضر. That is the final shape. As you can see, the shape of the letter Dad in the middle is a little different because it can only connect with the following Ra, not with the preceding Alif. And this is because the Alif can only connect with the preceding letter, not with the following letter. So you get حاضر. Okay, let's look at the final shape for this letter. The final shape can be either this one, which is identical to the individualized letter, or it can connect with the final shape. It can connect with the letter preceding, so it gets this shape. Here are some examples. The first word is ard, so you get alif, ra, dad. Ard is the word for land in English, ard. Okay, so the alif cannot connect with the ra, and the ra cannot connect with the dad, so you get this final shape where all letters are not really connecting with one another. Ard, ard, which is land. Let's have one more example. It is the word sick or marid in Arabic. The component letters are mim, ra, ya, dad. Marid, marid. Let's look at the connection. The mim will connect with the ra, so they get these shapes. Then the ya will connect with the dad, so you get this shape. And the da will connect with the ya, so you get this shape. Together, marid, 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 which means sick or ill in English. Okay, so this is the final shape we have to look at. Thank you very much. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.